was the first to greet us. And happy Saturday, May 18th. Where's the rest of your siblings? You don't care, because then you don't have to share the treats. Okay, let's go see if we can find them. Okay, just the three. Cinnia, Freddie, Growler. No Fluffy again today. And initially just Cinnia greeted us. We got to the cat area. She had raced ahead, but there was still just her. And Freddie showed up walking on the fence, and Growler came down the side of the fence. So 3 cats. We currently have sun, but are due for more rain starting around noon this afternoon. And some wind along with that. Okay, well, he'll help. Oh, there you is. There's the daddy kitty. Handsome guy.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, we're gonna move the plates and move along. Growler, come on. Growler, come back. Come on, he's gonna put the food down for you. Freddie says, nothing bothers me, I'll just keep eating. You guys do whatever you need to do. Rush off, disappear, there's food. Okay, off we go. Okay, kitty cat is having breakfast. Just after I had put it down, a group of 3 joggers showed up at the park to get drink at the fountain. And I go, oh goodness, he's gonna take off because he's very skittish around people. Well, bless his little heart, he watched, but he continued eating, so he didn't feel threatened. That's good. And I'll leave him to it. And either these are Turkey Vultures or RedTailed Hawks. Not sure. The size is right for either. Looks like it's probably Turkey Vulture. That's okay. Turkey Vulture's fine. I lost him wherever he went. That one's still there. Turkey vulture soaring over the hillside. Oops, disappeared. Blurry. So back at the cat area, none of the cats were there. Plates were clean. And Freddie just came out of some of the bushes a little further away from their area. Such a handsome guy. So laid back. So easygoing, aren't you? Yeah. Okay. We're gonna head.
Come on.
I guess Freddie's the only one we're going to see on our return trip, which is okay.
Good boy.
Yes, he is. There it is. Okay. We have a white bird walking on the hillside. I'm not going to declare snowy or great egret until I take a look at spring at home.
Just a little tracking practice.